So there was a moment in time when I did not think I wanted to practice law anymore. It was one of those things where I thought I was doing everything I needed to do. I had a ton of cases, and I was handling a lot of court-appointed cases. I was in multiple different counties. I wasn't making any money. I was always in court. As far as the reality of it, it wasn't working. So something had to change. And it wasn't until coming to Kayleigh Family Law that I actually had guidance on what I actually needed to focus on, how I was going to be able to grow my business, how I was going to be able to actually grow my book of business as far as clients are concerned, and just grow as an attorney in general. My favorite things about Kayleigh Family Law are just the people. I mean, I can remember working somewhere before I went to law school, and the one thing I said was, I hope that I find a place like this again. I truly enjoyed who I worked with, and I have that again. I don't see myself going anywhere unless they force me to go somewhere.
Kayleigh came to us at a point where she didn't know if she wanted to practice law at all. And all of a sudden, she dropped in and we said, what do you love to do? And for her, it was that she loved to see families in transition get to the other side and find a brand new path. And so watching Kayleigh not only drop in to practicing family law on a full-time basis, but also to helping her clients, it's been so rewarding for me as an attorney and as the owner of a law firm, but also just to watch her clients have these great outcomes, have new excitement about their future that they didn't have before they came. That has been amazing to see. Kayleigh is definitely somebody to watch.
Helping clients in family law, in my opinion, is very rewarding because they are going through something that's very difficult. Whether it's a separation, whether it's a divorce, especially if it's dealing with children, I'm trying to help them navigate through possibly the most difficult time in their life. And sometimes you're trying to protect their interests and you want to make sure that they're getting great legal advice. You have to make sure that they understand that it's going to be hard for them to accept. It's always emotional. And as the attorney, I truly like reminding my clients that I'm not just here as your attorney. I understand the situation. I know you're in it differently than how I am, but I always want them to make sure that they're comfortable and they don't feel like they're just constantly exposed, because a lot of clients are in a very, very sensitive place. And that's one thing I love, is just making sure that they understand that I'm here to help you. I'm a person and I'm not ever going to treat you any differently, and I'm just going to do my best to help you during this difficult time.